Alright, you guys, I'm back. I just did a reverse dip cup and I loved it. And I'm gonna try it differently this time. I coated the coaster or tile differently, so I spread it out more evenly, not as much paint, and I don't think I'm gonna pour this paint on. I'm gonna try to just kind of do that. And it won't be any particular design. Like I said, I just want to try something different. Because I don't have one of those, like little, squeeze bottles. Maybe I'll get those in time. But I don't have them now. So this is what we do. Okay. My gosh, I really loved that one that we just did. Oh yeah. That was so cool. But it stretched. And I don't know how to not make it do that. So maybe less paint. That is a lot of red. Maybe this one will, oops, turn out silly too. Uh-oh. Maybe I'll fix that afterwards. Maybe this video may not even make it. Okay. Maybe I could try to... Oh. I guess that's what you do. Kind of tap it. Hey, I learned something. All right. Now, for the saran wrap. Alright, I can make that work. I was afraid of this piece right here. Okay. Oh, that feels so much better than the first one. It's not as thick. It is thick right here, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, I could feel that the white is not as thick as it was, so maybe that's a good thing. Definitely not sure what these little squiggly designs are gonna do. And I'm not leveled, so that's a big problem, I know. All right. Okay. All right. That's pretty cool. Cool. Let it develop. I think we just fixed the stuff that you don't want like this. Maybe? That's so cool! So cool! So cool! So cool! And I just dipped this in my white paint. A lot of it. And I fixed it. There. La 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 la. So cool. I'm sorry. I'm just excited because I found something new and cool. That is just so awesome. Super, super awesome. Yeah. All right. I'm going to pause you. All right. Here we go. I like it. Turn the flash off. Can't really get it to focus, but I think it's awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one too. Thank you.